A revolutionary text-to-video model has captured the imagination with its ability to conjure realistic and captivating visuals from mere words. Imagine a world where anyone can become a content creator, crafting stunning videos with just a few well-crafted sentences. The possibilities seem endless, promising to democratize video production and unlock new avenues for creativity and expression. Sora is a prime example of TTV. It allows anyone, from seasoned filmmakers to complete beginners, to create professional-looking videos with just a few words. Educators can craft engaging lessons, businesses can produce stunning marketing campaigns, and even visually impaired individuals can experience visual content through audio descriptions generated by Sora, opening doors to endless possibilities. While the potential benefits are undeniable, the ease of use and accessibility of TTV also makes it susceptible to misuse. Malicious actors can exploit this technology to create harmful and deceptive content, posing significant threats to individuals and society as a whole. So buckle up, because we're about to explore the dark side of Sora. The most concerning aspects of Sora is its potential to create deepfakes. These are highly realistic video forgeries that can manipulate people's perceptions and sow discord. Imagine seeing a politician saying things they never uttered, or a celebrity in a compromising situation they never experienced. Deepfakes generated through Sora can be incredibly convincing, making it difficult to discern truth from fiction. Imagine watching a video of your favorite politician spewing offensive remarks. That's exactly what happened in Belgium in 2019 when a deepfake video of a politician went viral, causing chaos during the election campaign. This wasn't just a harmless prank. It had the potential to sway voters and undermine trust in the democratic process. But deepfakes aren't just limited to politics. In a disturbing celebrity case, victims found themselves in compromising situations thanks to deepfake technology. These fabricated videos caused immense emotional distress and reputational damage, highlighting the dark side of this powerful technology. So what are deepfakes? They're essentially artificial intelligence powered videos that realistically manipulate someone's appearance and voice. Imagine being able to make anyone say or do anything and you get the picture. Spreading misinformation, damaging reputations, and even influencing elections. These real-world examples serve as a stark reminder of the need for responsible development and regulation of Sora. Imagine a world where technology seamlessly crafts convincing lies, manipulating your emotions and swaying your opinions. This isn't science fiction. It's the chilling reality of weaponized narratives using text-to-video technology. While these examples haven't reached the level of widespread societal impact, they serve as stark warnings of the potential dangers associated with Sora misuse. It's crucial to acknowledge these risks and proactively develop safeguards to mitigate them before they escalate into more serious issues. Beyond entertainment, Sora can be a potent tool for spreading propaganda and hate speech. Malicious actors can exploit this technology to fabricate videos, create realistic yet entirely fictional narratives that reinforce harmful stereotypes or promote extremist ideologies. Fuel existing divisions, exploit societal tensions by tailoring content to specific audiences, further polarizing communities and inciting fabricated narratives as legitimate news, blurring the lines between truth and fiction and eroding trust in established institutions. The ability to personalize content makes Sora particularly dangerous. Imagine receiving videos specifically designed to resonate with your pre-existing biases, subtly nudging you towards radicalization. This targeted manipulation poses a significant threat to social cohesion and individual critical thinking. Vulnerable populations, such as children and adolescents with developing cognitive abilities and marginalized communities facing existing societal biases, are particularly at risk from weaponized narratives. Children can be easily susceptible to the persuasive power of realistic and emotionally charged content, while marginalized communities can be further targeted and discriminated against through fabricated narratives that erode trust and exacerbate inequalities. Imagine a scenario where a TTV model trained on biased data consistently generates videos that depict a particular minority group in negative light. Such content can have a detrimental impact on how individuals perceive different groups and contribute to existing societal biases. Beyond propaganda, Sora can be misused to generate non-consensual content such as revenge pornography or deepfakes depicting individuals in compromising situations. This malicious use can have devastating psychological and emotional repercussions for the victims, causing lasting trauma and reputational damage. The ease with which such content can be created and shared online further exacerbates the problem, highlighting the urgent need for effective solutions.
Combating this multifaceted threat requires a multi-pronged approach. Firstly, identifying and removing harmful content is crucial. Platforms must develop robust detection systems and establish dedicated review teams to effectively remove deepfakes, propaganda, and non-consensual content. Transparency and user reporting mechanisms are vital in this fight. Secondly, fostering media literacy and critical thinking skills is essential. Equipping individuals, especially younger audiences, with the ability to discern fact from fiction and identify potential biases in online content is paramount. Public awareness campaigns and educational initiatives can play a crucial role in empowering responsible consumption of information. Thirdly, responsible development and deployment of Sora technology is critical. Developers must establish clear ethical guidelines, ensuring transparency in algorithms and user control over data usage. Collaboration between stakeholders, including developers, policymakers, and civil society organizations, is necessary to develop comprehensive frameworks addressing the ethical and societal implications of Sora. Legal frameworks that define harmful content and associated penalties are crucial deterrents against misuse. Additionally, international cooperation is essential to address the global reach and impact of TTV technology. Finally, fostering a culture of responsible use is vital. Educational campaigns and promoting ethical considerations within the developer community can encourage responsible content creation and online behavior. The future of TTV hinges on our collective responsibility. By acknowledging the potential risks, implementing effective safeguards, and promoting responsible use, we can harness the immense potential of TTV for positive societal impact. Let us work together to ensure that TTV becomes a force for good, fostering creativity, expression, and a more informed and connected world.
As we conclude our exploration of Sora, the potential dangers of OpenAI's text-to-video technology, a sense of cautious optimism emerges. While the potential for misuse cannot be ignored, the power of Sora for positive change remains undeniable. The key lies in collective responsibility. Developers must prioritize ethical considerations, crafting transparent algorithms and empowering users with control over their data. Policymakers and regulators need to establish robust frameworks that deter misuse and foster responsible innovation. Educational initiatives and public awareness campaigns are crucial to equip individuals with the critical thinking skills necessary to navigate the complexities of the online information landscape. Ultimately, the future of Sora rests in our hands. By acknowledging the potential pitfalls, implementing effective safeguards, and promoting responsible use, we can transform Sora from a double-edged sword into a powerful tool for creativity, expression, and positive societal change. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the AIRA channel for more thought-provoking discussions on the impact of artificial intelligence in our world. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. And as always, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep the conversation going. Until next time.